Hey, ọ̀gbẹ́ni Wambina, as e dey hot. Naija boys, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, má lọ gọ̀, ó ti yẹ, as e dey hot now. Páàkì ọ̀ passenger kéré kó fẹ́ mi lómi mi ò ráyè ṣì náà. We been dey walk. From here to Yaba, we been dey walk. Tomorrow, we been dey walk.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I've started off barefaced, and I go in with my current favorite Modern Matte palette by Beauty Treats. I'm really a fan of bright colors like your oranges and your reds on my eyes, so that's the look I'll be doing today. But I always have to start off with a transition color, and I realized that the brown in that palette is my favorite transition color like in the world. Blend, blend, blend. Next I go in with that orange and that red from the palette. I go in with the orange, actually lies. I go in with the orange just beneath where I placed the brown, just so that it gives like a sunset sort of vibe, so that the colors can lead into each other and just so that we can look pretty and cute. Them go fear, them go colo, them go see I'm coro. As I they spend my because you know God don't see me true. I know you juju. What can I say? I'm cause next I go in with the red. I actually lied. I mixed in the red and the orange onto a little brush. I started off with the red, then I realized it was going to look like the Valentine's Day look, so I then packed on a bit of orange. Yes, I packed in a bit of orange just so that it gives a bright like neon look, and yeah, I love it. But be careful when blending these colors though, because well, sometimes they just blend away, so you just need to be careful. I'm obviously playing this at speed, but when I was doing it I had to be very careful because I would blend away the colors and have to bring them back and all sorts, so yeah, just be careful of that. I blew all of my cash last night, I'm sorry. Popping bottles in Queen like 300k VIP. Girl, I wanna take away, cause your bread is shaped like cakes. I wanna bite your eye, yeah. Girl, please come and be my babe. Walk. From here to Yaba, we been there walk. Tomorrow, we been there walk. So what I did off camera is that I cleaned up my eyes and I just blended that off to perfection. And what I'm doing now is I am priming my face with the Yardley primer, and I guess the look I'm going for today is glowy and just really glowy, and that is why I use that specific primer, because I feel like Africans have that natural glow, you know what I'm saying, and it is Wakanda. So now I'm setting my face before my foundation with the black opal powder, and if you guys want me to show you why I do that and how it works, please let me know. It's a hack I recently learned from Jackie Ina's channel, and it's really been working for me. And next I go in with my MAC foundation, but I mix it in with my Body Shop Honey Bronze Oil. As I told you guys, I'm trying to look bronzed, I'm trying to look delicious, I'm trying to look good, so I mix those in together and hope for the best. It literally gives me a natural glow afterwards. That oil is for all over the body, but you can mix it in with your foundation for your face as well.
Next I go in with the Alico Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. You guys know that this is my daily routine. I always do this. I just highlight the highest points of my face, and I'm really loving Alico. I am looking for a drugstore concealer that can compare, and unfortunately I don't think we will find one. I'm in love with this concealer. Oh guys, I have a cold, but yeah, we survive, we get it through, we do the things. And please don't mind my nails, guys, it's just a trying time for me, you know? It's rough. After blending in that concealer, I always find that I look very ghostly. And that is literally with every video, that is every day when I'm doing my makeup. But I don't mind, because I add, what do you call it? I add a bronzing powder to contour my face, and then I go back to my normal color. And also, you know, I've passed the flashback test, so yeah, don't worry if you look a bit ashy like me, or if you look like a ghost, or you know, you look dead. It's okay, you'll bring yourself alive again with the proper bronzing powder. But make sure you don't miss that step, or else you will look crazy. As you can see, I was not dealing with how I looked. But what I do is I go over my face with a powder, simply because it's the warmer months, and I get really oily throughout the day. So after setting my face with the Black Opal powder, I go back in with the Fit Me powder in caramel, just to, you know, set my face a bit further. And you guys have already seen in my past tutorial that I'm really a fan of the Fit Me powder. So if you guys want to see excuse me guys, if you guys want to see more of what I think about that, please watch my Fit Me foundation review, where I reviewed the powder and the foundation. Next, I'm going in with my MAC powder, just to bring back the color into my face. And as you can see, it's bronzy. It's more of a bronzer than a contour. It's in the shade dark, and I really love this powder. I actually lost it for a while. I didn't know where it was, but now that I found it, you know, it saved me. So what I do is I don't go for a cool toned contour when I look this ashy, because I'm just going to look more ashy. So I use this bronzing powder for contour, because it's a bit on the warmer side, so then it brings back how I'm supposed to look. And as you can see, your girl's coming back to life. Your girl's back. To contour my nose, I use a powder, and I use the same brush that I used for my eyeshadow, which is a bit dangerous. I don't know why I do that, but that's what I use to contour. And then to blush my face, I haven't been using blush in a while, but I realized that I miss that like flushed look. So I use my LA Girl blush palette, and that's amazing. Okay guys, so I spray my face with Fix Plus, simply because I looked very powdery, and sometimes to like settle the powder in on my face so that it doesn't look cakey, I just spray some Fix Plus while I'm still doing my makeup, just so that I look normal again, and makeup just doesn't look too cakey. So then I go under my eye. I mixed the orange and the red under my eye, and I usually put my mirror up. Excuse me, guys. I usually put my mirror up just so that I can go under that line with precision. Ooh, does that even make sense though? But yeah, just that it's easier. Then I line my eyes with my eyebrow pencil. This is the same pencil that I use for my brows. I have abandoned the brow pencil I used to use. If you guys want to see an updated brow routine, because I think the way I've done the way I generally do my brows now has changed quite a bit, let me know. Then I use this white pencil from, where's it from? Okay, I know I bought it at Click Smudge, this white eyeliner from Smudge. I've really been loving white eyeliner these days. I just think it brings a cute look to whatever look you have. Then I use my Wet n Wild highlight in the shade Precious Petals, and it's 90 Rand, guys, and it does the things. It's one of my favorite highlighters in the world, and I'm really just a fan. $90, guys, $90.
Cause your bread is shaped like cakes. I wanna bite your eye, yeah. Girl, please come and be my babe. Walk. From here to Yaba. We been there walk.
So then I go in with my favorite mascara, the Maybelline Push-Up Drama Mascara. If you know me, you know I'm a fan. I don't even need to discuss this, but I don't concentrate much on my lashes anymore. I just use that mascara just so that I can put on my false lashes, and as you can see, I'm back with my false lashes. And now I'm going in with this liquid lipstick by MAC, and it's in the shade, I don't know what shade it is in. Guys, all the products will be listed down below, and I really love this look. As you can see, your girl was feeling herself a bit too much. Then I'm going to go in with my black liquid liner to go in with the tribal marks, or the dots. I tried this tutorial with Calamine lotion, which is white, and it didn't work out. So now I'm going in with black, which I think is more intense. So I'm going to start off with just a simple line on my lip, and I feel like that for me, I felt like that was enough, but I had to go in with more. But yeah, as you can see, I'm a bit nervous to put more on. I literally didn't know where else to put on my face, because guys, it's rough, eh? It's rough. If you guys can do this professionally, like you're the real MVP. I was nervous. I even had to film a tutorial twice just to get the dots right now. But I feel like I have them right now. And if you have a wedding or whatever and you're looking for a traditional makeup artist, I think I killed it. I think I brought it, guys. I think I brought the Wakanda vibe. Also, you might want to wait for that liquid liner to dry first before you try smudging your lips or pushing your lips together like I did. I really wasn't sure, and don't forget that I'm speeding this tutorial, so just wait for it to dry before you test whether or not it smudges. Give it a few seconds just to dry up. And now I'm just trying to do the dots on my forehead. Wow, guys, those little circles gave me trouble. But I think I killed it. I think I did. I think I tried. Take your time. Don't forget that this has been speeded, as I've been saying. This is probably double the time it took me to actually do these dots. So take your time, just relax, so that they come out perfect, and do the things. So what I did is I set my makeup in the previous step. I'm not going to set my makeup again because I didn't know how the liquid liner would react to that. So I just let it go, and yeah, that's the final look, guys. As you can see, I'm really feeling it. I'm really proud of myself. Thank you for watching. I love you. Till next time.